Welcome! In this video, we'll solve two thermodynamics sign problems using the first law of thermodynamics and the Clausius sign convention. The key equation is Q equals delta U plus W. Here, Q is heat added to the system, W is work done by the system, and delta U is the change in internal energy. With the Clausius sign convention, heat in is positive and work done by the system is positive when the gas expands. Let's analyze the first problem using APV diagram. We go from A to B to C and back to A. Watch the direction of the volume change to determine the sign of work. Now, let's fill in the sign table for each process. We will use Q equals delta U plus W in each step. First, process A to B. Process A to B goes to the right, so the gas expands. Therefore, work is positive. The table tells us delta U is positive, so Q equals delta U plus W is also positive. Let's write the signs in the first row. Process B to C is vertical, so the volume does not change. That means the work is 0. The problem states Q is positive, so delta U must be positive too. Let's fill that in. Process C to A moves left, so the volume decreases. Work done by the gas is negative. Because this is a full cycle, total delta U must be 0, so the final delta U must be negative to return to state A. Therefore, Q is also negative. Let's fill the last row. Now, let's solve the second table. Energy Q is supplied in every case, so Q is positive. We only need the signs of W, delta U, and delta T for gases X, Y, and Z. Gas X is isothermal. That means the temperature stays the same, so delta T is 0. For an ideal gas, delta U depends on temperature, so delta U is 0. Since Q is positive, W must be positive. Gas Y is isovolumetric. The volume does not change, so work is 0. Since Q is positive, delta U is positive, and that means the temperature increases. So delta T is positive. Gas C is isobaric. At constant pressure, heating causes expansion, so work is positive. The temperature rises, so delta T is positive, and delta U is positive as well. Great job! We use Q equals delta U plus W to determine signs in both tables. Remember, expansion gives positive work, compression gives negative work, and for an ideal gas, delta U tracks temperature.